What a party. I think one storm, first storm of the year. Yeah. Got enough snow here. I think it's the same amount that we had the whole winter last year. Yeah. What a party. You gotta love it. But no, but that's some white shit that came down there. That's why I decided to put my safety glasses now. Because, yeah, you never know what's gonna come down. No clue. Kinda scary. But you gotta love it though. Yeah. Because it's winter and life is life. What a party. And that thing's never stopped. There's always an extra loop to it. Yeah.